Hey, 102 party people. We are in our last week of new content. And I have trimmed some things back to where I don't think we need to necessarily go through a few things. I added on a few readings that we were going to do from this in this week. Um, and I think actually we were only going to have one more week of instruction after this anyway, so I kind of cut out a few things and just combined it into one. So, anyways, what I'm talking about is in this book, Everyone's an Author. You have a few readings from this. This will post for you tomorrow as well as this video, so it won't. You have Everyone's an Author analyzing and constructing an argument, and then Everyone's an Author strategies for constructing an argument. So I'm hoping that these will help you as you prepare your next paper. Come with questions, all that stuff. And then I have some very short pieces to go along with this. We have Gwendolyn Ann Smith, We're All Someone's Freak. I think that might be in your Tan Norton, but just in case, I posted two articles here. So if you can't find them there, I do have them posted here. I just wanted to double check. And then William Cronin, The Trouble with Wilderness. And I believe that also is in your Tan one, but again, I'm not 100%. So that one I also posted for you. Okay, so I think that's all I have. Keep plugging away on paper 3. We can certainly talk about those tomorrow if you need. But I thank you for your patience, guys. I know that you're drowning here in some ways, and you're really trying to get through things, and I'm trying to make it as easy for you as I can. But anyways, if you need help with anything, or you need to reach out, or just anything like that, just let me know. But anyways, I will see you guys on Tuesday.